Good evening, good afternoon, and good morning to everyone who's joined us today. Thank you so much for your support. And thank you so much, Purple Petal Entertainment, for giving us this opportunity. When Swasti from Purple Petal Entertainment first approached me for this show, I was like, how can we do this show? Purple Petal Entertainment, if you've seen their shows, and if you haven't, you must check them out. Their shows feature established and professional artists. So I was quite skeptical about doing this show. And she explained to me that Purple Petal Entertainment is trying to promote local talent and local artists. So here we are with the show. Thank you, Purple Petal Entertainment. So once the show was decided, the big question was, what songs do we do? And I realized this was my opportunity to sing and showcase songs that I've grown up listening to, songs that have inspired me, artists who have inspired me. So I hope you like the collection that we have put together for you today. The first song is by the queen of playback singing, Bollywood's and India's Nightingale, Lata Mangeshkar. Beautifully penned by Anand Bakshi, composed by Kalyanji Anandji, song from Jab Jab Phool Khile, Ye Sama. enjoy that song. The next song is also a song by Lata ji. When this movie released, the song was extremely popular, and the movie itself, Baharon Ke Sapne, was hugely popular. But this song also became popular with the new gen because it was remixed and presented in another movie, Dil Vil Pyar Vyar, this time sung by Kavita Krishnamurthy ji. So our next song is penned by Majrooh Sultanpuri, composed by none other than R.D. Burman, presenting Kya Jano Sajan. सजन होती है क्या हवा की शाम जल उठी सोती जब लिया तेरा नाम क्या जानू सजन. Thank you. So that song, as I mentioned, was from a hugely popular movie, Baharon Ke Sapne, and it featured Rajesh Khanna and Asha Parekh. And we all know Rajesh Khanna was a big superstar at that time. And his main playback voice was Kishore Kumar. And between Rajesh Khanna and Kishore Kumar, they've given us so many wonderful songs. So a show would be incomplete if we don't present a song like that. So I'd like to invite Abhijit to present a song picturized on Rajesh Khanna and sung by my favorite, Kishore Kumar. Enjoy.
अपना ही साया देख के तुम जाने जहां शर्मा गए. अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए. मेरा क्या होगा सोचो तो जरा. हाय ऐसे न आहे भरा कीजिए. आपका आपका नाम मेरा तराना और नहीं. इन झुकती पलकों के सिवा दिल का ठिकाना और नहीं. जचता ही नहीं आँखों में कोई. दिल तुमको ही चाहे तो क्या कीजिए. Thank you so much. Now I'd like to call Sangeeta back on stage for the next performance, which is from Silsila.
Yeah, Abhijit gave away the song too soon. But I do want to say a little bit about the song. As I mentioned earlier, Rajesh Khanna was a reigning superstar when this man came to the industry, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. And he was the only person who could have the capability and the talent to topple Rajesh Khanna from his superstardom then. So our next song, as Abhi mentioned, is from Silsila, a song that oozes romance, one of my personal favorites, picturized on Amitabh Bachchan and Rekha, and sung by Lata Mangeshkar and Amitabh Bachchan.
मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं। तुम होती तो कैसा होता, तुम ये कहती, तुम वो कहती, तुम इस बात पे हैरान होती, तुम उस बात पे कितनी हंसती। तुम होती तो ऐसा होता, तुम होती तो वैसा होता। मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर ये बातें करते हैं। ये रात है या तुम्हारी जुल्फें खुली हुई है चांदनी, तुम्हारे नजरों से मेरी रातें धुली हुई है। ये चांद है या तुम्हारा कंगन, सितारे हैं या तुम्हारा आंचल, हवा का झोंका है या तुम्हारे बदन की खुशबू। ये पत्तियों की है सरसराहट कि तुमने चुपके से कुछ कहा है। ये सोचता हूं मैं कब से गुमसुम कि जबकि मुझको भी ये खबर है कि तुम नहीं हो, कहीं नहीं। मगर ये दिल कह रहा है तुम यही हो, यही कहीं हो।
तू बदन है, मैं हूँ छाया, तू ना हो तो मैं कहूँ। मुझे प्यार करने वाले तू जहाँ है मेरा। हमें मिलना ही था हमदम इसी राह निकलते। हमें मिलना ही था
हालात इधर भी हैं उधर भी, तन्हाई की ये रात इधर भी है उधर भी। कहने को तो बहुत कुछ है मगर किससे कहें हम, कब तक यूं ही खामोश रहें और सहे हम। दिल कहता है दुनिया की हर एक रस्म उठा दे, दीवार जो हम दोनों में है आज गिरा दे। क्यों दिल में सुलगते रहें लोगों को बता दे, हाँ हमको मोहब्बत है मोहब्बत है मोहब्बत। अब दिल में यही बात इधर भी है उधर भी।
ये कहाँ आ गए हम, ये कहाँ आ गए
Thank you. So before we move on to the next song, I'd like to quickly introduce the entire band. I'm Sangeeta, and playing keys today is Gaurang Narasimhan. Gaurang and I have been performing together for about 8 years, right? Yeah, about 8 years. And he's an excellent pianist. Probably wasn't into Bollywood too much before he joined the band, but now he can remember the Bollywood songs. And Gaurang also composes his own music, so if you want to check out some of his original compositions, go to YouTube and just search on your music. Okay, so check out Gaurang Narasimhan's music. On congos and bongos is Sriram. Sriram is originally a tabla player. He started learning tabla at age 5. Can't even imagine. But and he also plays. He's the best dholak player, according to me, in Seattle area. Unfortunately, we won't hear his tabla and dholak today, but he's an excellent percussionist. And there is this cajon right there. You'll see him playing that too next. So that's Sriram for you. And on guitars, we have Shri. So Shri we are all part of a band in Seattle, and so Shri is one of the founders of the band. Interestingly enough, before he started the band, he was more into Western and rock music. And so the joke is, from his favorite band, Queen, to now playing Bollywood songs from the movie Queen. That's been his journey the last 20 years. So that's Shri on guitar. I've already introduced you to Abhijit. He's our Kishore Kumar of the band. So does amazingly well with Kishore Kumar songs. But you'll hear him sing another song in another voice later in the show. So that remains. Now moving on to the next song. I presented Lataji songs earlier in the show. And the next artist that I'd really want to showcase is Asha Ji. So while Lataji was dominating the Indian playback industry with her melodies and classical prowess, Asha Ji created her own space with sensuous, peppy songs. And without trying to compete with Lataji, she made her own mark in the industry. Having said that, anytime that she got an opportunity to sing classical songs like from Umrao Jahan or Ijazat, she excelled in that as well. So the next song I'm going to present is not a peppy song, not the usual Asha Ji song, but a light romantic song. And I really like that song because it has the best combination that you can ask for: Asha Ji, R.D. Burman, and Gulzar. This was a song that was suggested by a friend, so thank you very much. Presenting. Okay, I won't give away the song, but I'm sure you'll know the song. It's kind of an improvised version of the original song, so I hope you enjoy it.
रोज रोज आँखों तले एक ही सपना जले, रात भर काजल जले, आँखों में जिस तरह ख्वाब का दिया जले, ओ रोज रोज आँखों तले एक ही सपना जले, रात भर काजल जले, आँखों में जिस तरह ख्वाब का दिया जले, ओ रोज रोज आँखों तले। जब से तुम्हारे नाम की मिसरी होठ लगाई है, मीठा सा है और मीठी सी तन्हाई है, ओ जब से तुम्हारे नाम की मिसरी होठ लगाई है, मीठा सा है और मीठी सी तन्हाई है, ओ रोज रोज आँखों तले एक ही सपना जले, रात भर काजल जले, आँखों में जिस तरह ख्वाब का दिया जले, हो रोज रोज आँखों तले। ला 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 रोज रोज आँखों तले।
I hope you enjoyed that song. It's a beautiful composition by R.D. Burman, Gulzar Saab, and of course, so beautifully sung by Asha ji. I talked about Asha ji's expertise in singing sensuous and peppy songs. So a show without a peppy song from her would be incomplete. So I'm going to bring Abhijit back to accompany me on this song. It's a song picturized on one of the cutest couples of Bollywood, Rishi Kapoor ji and Neetu Singh. And unfortunately, we lost Rishi ji this year. So this is our tribute to him. So presenting, I won't give away the song, but you'll know.
एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह। एक मैं और एक तू, तरह, एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह। और जो तन मन में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था।
एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह।
एक मैं और एक तू, दोनों मिले इस तरह। और जो तन मन में हो रहा है ये तो होना ही था।
ये तो होना ही था।
ये तो होना ही था। Thank you.
Moving on from Lata ji to Asha ji to another singer who dominated the playback industry in the 90s. I personally am a big fan of 90s song, and there wasn't a song in those days that wasn't sung by this singer, and I'm talking about Alka Yagnik. The song, though, I'm going to present next is not from the 90s. It's a song that she sang recently in collaboration with A.R. Rahman. So, presenting our next song from the movie Tamasha.
पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ये संभल जाए। कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं, मेरी तरफ आता हर गम फिसल जाए। आँखों में तुमको भरूं, बिन बोले बातें तुमसे करूं। अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो। बहती रहती नहर नदियाँ से तेरी दुनिया में मेरी दुनिया है। तेरी चाहतों में मैं ढल जाती हूँ, तेरी आदतों में। अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो।
तेरी नजरों में है तेरे सपने, तेरे सपनों में है नाराज़ी। मुझे लगता है कि बात दिल की होती लफ्जों की धोखेबाजी। तुम साथ हो या न हो क्या फर्क है। बेदर्द की जिंदगी बेदर्द है। अगर तुम साथ हो,
दिल ये संभल जाए।
साथ हो,
हर गम फिसल जाए।
साथ हो,
दिल ये संभल जाए।
साथ हो।
हर गम फिसल जाए।
I hope you enjoyed that song. This composition, as I mentioned earlier, was composed by Mr. A.R. Rahman, a genius that, took the world by storm with his compositions. It's unfortunate that we don't get to hear too many of his songs these days, but he's class apart. From one genius to another, I want to particularly mention the singer we lost due to COVID, and a singer who excelled in every language, whether it's Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, Hindi. The voice of Salman Khan, who gave us such joy with his songs and peppy numbers and his unique style of singing. So, our tribute to Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam, and may his soul rest in peace. And I want to invite Abhijit to perform the song for you.
आते जाते हंसते गाते सोचा था मैंने मन में कई बार, वो पहली नजर हल्का सा असर करता है क्यों इस दिल को बेकरार। रुक के चलना, चल के रुकना, ना जाने तुम्हें है किसका इंतजार। तेरा वो यकीन कह मैं तो नहीं, लगता है यही क्यों मुझको बार बार। यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, हाँ हाँ तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया। आते जाते हंसते गाते सोचा था मैंने मन में कई बार, होठों की कली कुछ और खिली, ये दिल पे हुआ है किसका इख्तियार। तुम कौन हो बतला तो दो, क्यों करने लगा मैं तुम पे एतबार। खामोश रहूं या मैं कह दूं, या कर लूं मैं चुपके से ये स्वीकार। यही सच है शायद मैंने प्यार किया, हाँ हाँ तुमसे मैंने प्यार किया। Thank you very much. Let me call back Sangeeta.
Thank you, Abhijit. The next song is my tribute to Shreya Ghoshal. She's one of the finest singers of Bollywood industry these days. A very talented singer and very versatile, who sings in many languages. And when you hear her sing, you can't tell if that's her mother tongue or not. So not only is she a great singer, but her expertise with languages, it's impressive. The emotions and the pronunciation that she brings into songs, it's commendable. The song that I'm going to present, I think, is one of her finest songs. A song from Ashiki 2, presenting Sun Raha Hai.
मंजिलें रुसवा है, खोया है रास्ता, आए ले जाए इतनी सी इल्तिजा, तो मेरी अमानत है, ये मेरी इबादत है। अपने करम की करनाई कर दे इधर भी तू निगाहें, सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं। यारा यारा
So we've come to the final song of our presentation tonight. I mentioned earlier in the show that the songs that I've picked are my tribute to people who inspired me. This last song is not a tribute to any singer, but to my dad, who was probably one of the most important people in my life, my hero. I lost him a year ago. And he was a huge music lover. Always pushed me to pursue music, continue to be part of the band. So this last song is a song that is a song from the movie Dangal, which shows a very special relationship between a father and daughter. So this is my tribute to my dad. Hope you enjoy it.
जो साँझ ख्वाब देखते थे नैना, बिछड़ के आज रो दिए हैं।
So we've come to the end of the show. I'd like to bring everybody here to center stage. I'm really thankful to all of them for supporting me in this show and putting hours of practice and helping me prepare for the show. And as I said earlier, a huge thank you from all of us to Purple Petal Entertainment for giving us this opportunity and for promoting local talent. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Last but not the least, I have to thank you all, friends, family, everyone who's logged in. Thank you, thank you, thank you from our behalf. Good night, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Bye.